Hi, I'm going to show you how to create great posts like this one with relevant and reaching hashtags, images, author attribution, emoji, and links that can include an ad that displays on pages you share. I'm starting with my Pocket app and an article I want to share. I tap Share and then Enhance with RiteForge. The article's URL is loaded. I tap the magic wand. I get the page title along with an emoji, great hashtags, author attribution, and the URL got converted to a Writely, which means that anyone clicking the link sees my ad. I then choose a group of social profiles or select the social profiles I want to share to. I'll click this button for publishing options. Along with Send Now, I can add this post to the ends of the queues of the social networks I selected with Add to Queue or Custom Schedule. I could choose a date and time or, with Repeat, choose between daily, weekly, or monthly. I'll go with monthly and every month, 5 months, and the post will get scheduled to go out on the given date and time every month for 5 months, and it's scheduled. If I go back to the RiteForge app, I see the post scheduled to go out as specified. To change what your wand does, click the gear at the top. The wand is RiteForge Enhance. For auto hashtag, choose not only the maximum number of them that you want, but also whether you want hashtags added after the main text or intermingled within the words of your posts. You can choose to append brand or event hashtags. You can even replace words that will frequently come up in your posts with hashtags, etc. and choose which link ad to use. Lastly, let's look at post editing. Hit the back button, tap a post, and change time. Hit OK to save. So, the RiteForge mobile app is your solution for generating great posts with all the gifts and then scheduling once or multiple times to keep your social stream active and working for you across all the major social networks.